If you want to get serious about making money online, ClickFunnels is a game changer. Welcome back. This is Andy Brown and Never Too Old to Start. I'm going to tell you a little bit about my favorite platform for creating pages. If you want to get a little fancier about marketing your product and getting traffic and followers, called ClickFunnels. It was started by a gentleman named Russell Brunson. He is just amazing. He is my mentor. I have been studying internet marketing for way too long, and I know way too much from too many different people. But did that help me? No, because I almost know too much. Russell has been studying it even longer than I have. And what he did was he took everything he learned, and it's a constant learning experience, and he put it all together. And he's taken the best parts of what every expert has learned and is contributing, and he put it into a program called ClickFunnels. Everything is basically done for you. It's incredible. Now, I'm going to be telling you a lot of what I have learned from my ClickFunnels experience in more videos. But if you're itching to get started, go to 2 commasclub.com. That's 2 commasclub.com, and I will give you a chance. You can get a whole bunch of free books and check out stuff, all of my favorite resources and tools from my buddy Russell Brunson's ClickFunnels.com. All right, subscribe. I've got a lot of videos and help coming your way. Tell your friends, and let's have some fun.